What the fuck am I doing? It's about to explode! So a refrigerator is bomb-proof? That nigga Sean would have been yo, I'm saying, this is real. He'd have been gone by now. I'm having sex. I can't figure shit out.
We've got a few more hours left to save Sean Mars. There has to be a goddamn clue somewhere. It's probably staring me in the face. This kid's gonna die, and I'm going around in circles!
That's what I'm saying. He's not gonna be able to grow up. He's not gonna be able to fucking drive a car. He's not going to college.
Ready to go?
What you mean?
The investigation's over.
It's him.
Did it.
He's the origami killer.
Your services anymore, Norman.
He's the origami killer.
Ride your files all the way back to Washington.
He's the origami killer, bro.
I'd be lying if I said I was gonna miss you.
The investigation isn't over. You have absolutely nothing on Mars.
Mars is guilty. Case closed. Anyway, it's no concern of yours now. You're off the case. So pack up and fuck off.
He's the origami killer, bro.
Blake, you are an unbalanced, psychopathic asshole.
I'll take that as a compliment. Honestly, I don't give a shit what you think. I found the origami killer. Everyone's happy. End of story. Have a nice trip back, Norman.
Hey, come on now. He about to have another panic. Is it him? Are you the origami killer?
The killer's name is here. Somewhere in this data. I just have to find it. Find it before it's too late.
Oh, one last thing, sir. You should be careful not to overindulge in you know what. It can be dangerous. Very dangerous. It'll end up killing you if you're not careful. That would be most unfortunate, sir.
Nah, we did all the trials. I'm on my last trial right now. Oh. No. Stop. I just realized I don't need to. No. This.
Ari was in record mode when I was fighting with the killer. Perhaps there's something on it.
We getting down to the T, y'all. We getting the T. What's T?
The sword was already in Paco's office. It's got nothing to do with the killer.
Okay. Am I supposed to point something out? Like, am I supposed to pause when I think something like is a? Oh, I am. Okay. I get it.
Gold watch. I'm sure I've seen this before somewhere.
I gave this nigga $5. I added $5 to this shit.
The watch they give for promotions to lieutenant. The killer is a cop.
Yeah, I was done.
Looks like the killer is a cop. Carter Blake. That would explain the dead-end investigation and his desire to frame Ethan Mars.
I said that. Oh shit, should I? Oh, I should have pressed. Oh fuck, I think I should have pressed investigate. Oh fuck, I fucked up. I should have pressed investigate instead of accuse him.
Show me your left breast.
What?
Your left breast. Killer's got the same gold watch.
Yeah, and so does every other cop in this precinct who's made lieutenant. So does every person who's ever bought one in some shitty mall. What's your fucking point?
It's a pretty odd coincidence.
What are you trying to say? What are you accusing me of being the origami killer?
Oh fuck, I didn't investigate. No, 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 no,
of course not.
You know what, Norman? Sometimes I think you have absolutely no fucking idea what you're talking about. Get out of my face. Some of us have real work to do.
Woo! We good. We're good. We're good. We're good. We're good. We're good. Oh my god. We're good, bro. We're good. No. Let's continue. Oh fuck. Alright, okay, what else? There's nothing else here. I don't.
2 receipts from the same gas station.
Oh!
Might be near the killer's home. Ugh, that doesn't get us anywhere.
Look at my eyes! It's bleeding!
The killer lives in this zone. 342 people live around there. Not good enough. Gotta find a means of identifying the killer more precisely. Cop. There's only one cop in that geoprofiling zone. Gotcha. He owns a warehouse on the docks. If I'm wrong, Sean Mars is dead.
Oh! Wait, now it's gone?
Are you sure it's the right car? At the docks. Call the SWAT team. Oh, and I'll need a chopper. Today? Of course I'll need it today, you fucking imbecile.
Oh my god, this is it. I think this is it. This is it, y'all. This gotta be. Lock it in.
Let me stay with you, Scott. I don't want to go.
Look, it'll only take a couple of days. Long enough to get this resolved.
I can't just wait while you confront my son's killer.
It's the only way, Lauren. Trust me. Now go stay with your mother for a few days. I'll come and get you when this is all over.
Tell me who the origami killer is. I want to know who killed my son.
Listen, when I'm done, I'll tell you everything I know. I promise.
I feel like he gonna die. I don't know why. I feel like he gonna die for sure. I'm getting death flags. Major death flag. He not making it back, bro. I'm already knowing. Yeah, that was the last kiss she was ever gonna get. Ooh, continuation! This game is fire! This game is fire!
I think the water's rising. I'm hurrying. I'll be right back.
No, don't make me play as him. Please don't make me play as him. I do not want to play as this little nigga. Oh my god. Like, keep it cutscene.
Mom's work is too far away. I'd never make it in time. Gotta find someone. The water's still rising. John won't be able to hang on for long. This place is completely deserted. There's no one around to help. Dad, I've gotta get Dad. He's the only one who can save John. Gotta move. Hold on, bro. I'll find someone. Then we'll come back and save you. Need to get help fast. John's gonna drown. John's gonna drown. Dad, it's John. He fell into a pot. He's
Get out of here, you little pest. Leave me
You
alone.
gotta come, Dad. Come on, John's gonna die. John's gonna
Well,
die.
that'll be one less greedy mouth to feed, won't it? Go away.
Please, Dad, I'm begging you. John's gonna die. John's gonna
What did
die,
I
Dad.
tell you? Grab!
Please, Dad. You've got to save John. I tried, John. I really tried. But he wouldn't come. Please don't die, John. Please.
Am I the only one that think like he can get up? I'm not trying to ruin the moment, but he look like he could get up. Like, he look like he can get up. Maybe I don't know how water works.
Don't forget about this guy.
Maybe I don't know how strong a kid is. But why like he can pull him out of there? I don't know, man. Alright, let me stop ruining the moment. It's supposed to be sad. Did he just fucking say Scotty? After I literally just said Scott's gonna die, he's not making it back because I'm getting death flags, and now you gonna name drop him? But I don't get sus vibes from him. I never thought he was sus. I'm a nigga steal from you and trying to help you find it. Wait. He said he got fired from the no, remember nigga said, are you he was like I quit. Remember he said I quit the police force, and then one of y'all niggas said nah, that nigga got fired. And then I made a joke saying nah, he got fired. I was joking though. What if he dead got fired? He was a police. Now he's not a police anymore. He was a police. And yeah, when the police was ringing, he hung that shit up. And the girl was like, why you doing that? He said, we don't want to deal with all them police when they get here and shit like that. We're going to cover our tracks. We're going to cover the fingerprints. He was saying all that. And I didn't really pay too much attention because I'm thinking like, okay, maybe they might think that he has something to do with the old man's death. So that's why he was covering his fingerprints. He didn't want to get accused of it. And this nigga gave him his own work. You gave him your own work. His own work. Bro. Bro. Like, but now when you think about it, it makes sense. But in the moment, I wasn't thinking. I'm like, nah, it's not. We didn't see that. We did not see that. We didn't see this. It makes sense now. He called the police just to hang up again? What, did he like panic or something, or? That's when what's the name came in, and that's why he was behind me. That's why he wasn't trying to fight me. He was trying to leave. I kept saying, why the nigga trying to leave? Fight me. That's why, nigga. Oh my gosh. Everything is connecting. Everything, they have the same build. What's good, EC? Everything is connecting now. Oh my god. I hate this doorknob. And he got a weird doorknob. Remember? I said, who the fuck has a doorknob in the middle of their door? It's definitely him for sure, nigga. No, if you was, yeah, nah, yeah. Only a serial killer will have a doorknob in the middle of their door. Oh shit. That's not fair. My controller was on my lap. That's not fair. I can't do this. I can't do this part. Y'all have seen me do it multiple times and it doesn't work. I don't know what's going on with the controller. I can't do that part, bro. I can't tilt it. Whenever I try, it does not work. Oh my god. Fuck! Thank you! That is so annoying.
Origami Killer's apartment. There must be something that'll tell me where Sean Mars is.
Sean is dead. Sean is dead. Like, you see how much time I spent on getting in the house? Sean is dead. We're gonna find Sean and he's gonna be buried underwater. This game is gonna end on a
Gotta be fast. He could come back anytime.
This game is gonna end on a sour note. The theme of the game is you can't save them all. That's fucked up, but I mean, sometimes that's true. You can't save them all. You could try.
He used to be a cop. Probably knew exactly how an investigation would be carried out. I'll go through it room by room, but there's bound to be some kind of clue. An ex-cop. He knows their methods backwards. That's why he never leaves any clues.
Makes sense. Good idea looking for that. Like looking for a secret room. That's actually a good idea. I would have never thought about doing that. So if he did have one, I'd have been cooked.
Damn, I can't find anything.
I can't.
Think of something.
He's a cop.
Fast.
He probably planned
He'll come
this
back
shit.
any second.
He's a cop. Like he knows this. Wait. Go back in. Wait. Go back in. He's smart, bro. He's testing fathers to save their son because he didn't save his brother. He's a bitch. Why you killing kids, nigga? Fight me. See, try to kill a grown-ass man, bitch. You a little nigga. Why you killing little kids knowing they can't defend themselves, bitch? I don't respect him. As big as the nigga is, he targets children? Pussy. You ass. You pussy. See a grown-ass man about it then. If you really like that, come see me about it. Nigga, I'm a grown-ass man just like you. What's up?
A cop's uniform. Always trust a cop. That's why children went with him. He was dressed as a cop.
Oh, I'm sorry, open it back up. That makes so much sense. That makes so much sense. Madison! Madison! Come on, Madison. Madison! Yo, Madison better not die, y'all. If Madison die, I'm turning the game off. If Madison die, ooh, what the Madison cooking.
This is where he cultivated the orchids that he left on the chest of his victims.
That's crazy. This is crazy. This is crazy.
Sean Mars. Oh, the lunatic's been watching him drown.
Look at him.
But it's some kind of a well filling up with rain, slowly drowning him.
How is he not
There's
dead?
not much time left. There must be something here showing where the well is. Shit, it needs a password.
Origami? John. Fuck. Orchid. I put... No, I don't want to put rain. This is gonna lock me out, bro. What the fuck is his password?
So you found my little secret?
It's over, Scott. All those children killed just to find a father capable of saving his son?
Shut up! You don't understand.
Uzi, you should have typed that faster.
Left. There might still be time to save him. Let him go. Do what your father couldn't do.
No, please don't kill me. Oh, man. Oh, fuck. Alright, I'm still get my information. I know it. It's Max now. It's Max.
Got it.
Oh my gosh, Uzi, you should have like I don't know, like I don't know,
When he was a child.
like you know what I'm saying, like
What the hell is that? An address. It's gotta be where Sean Mars is. Hurry. There's no time to lose.
well, how you gonna get out now? She kind of smart. She's smart. It's right here, right? I could have sworn I just heard it. Dude! What was that? What was that? Wait, wait, wait. I saw something. Turn around, Madison. He's trying to... Oh my god. Oh, fuck. Please, get out of the cutscene. Oh my gosh, y'all. I'm about to die. Oh, no, 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 no. No, go over here. Right here. Right? Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Keep going. Keep going. Get me out of here. Please get me out of here. Please get me out of here. Get me out of here. Get me out of here, please. Now crawl through that hole. Let's go. Let's go. Go. Oh, no way. Come on. Come on. Good shit, Madison. W Madison in the chat. Yeah, turn around. Turn around. Oh, fuck. Now what? You gonna jump? Are you dumb, girl? Why you didn't go through the window?
The apartment is already in flames. I gotta move fast if I want to get it alive.
Okay. W resourcefulness. W resourcefulness. What? What happened?
It's way too high. I'll kill myself if I jump.
Then what do we do? What do we do then? Okay, then I'm not gonna jump if she's gonna die. That's why she didn't jump out the window. Oh my gosh. How am I still alive? I ain't gonna lie, all this heat and smoke should have killed her. Ow! 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 Madison's about to die, bro. Madison is about to die. I cannot look at the chat at all. Y'all, if I start lagging, I can't look at the chat, so fuck, I'm gonna have to, I don't know, play a laggy game. Ow! No way. No way I fucking tripped. No way I tripped, y'all. No way I tripped. 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 They shooting fireworks outside. What's going on anymore? They shooting fucking fireworks in my neighborhood. What am I doing? Huh? What the fuck am I doing? It's about to explode! So a refrigerator is bomb-proof? A refrigerator is bomb-proof, everybody. Let it be known. If we ever go to war, just go in your... No, don't do that. Don't do that. This is video game logic. Call Ethan.
I know where Sean is. I've got to tell Ethan.
Right? Call Ethan, right? Oh my gosh. That's this. I'm like, I can't do this, y'all. Who the fuck is this nigga? Is this Ethan himself? Are we about to? No way. Like, do they want me to... Like, what do they want me to do?
Sean! Sean!
Here we go again with the Sean yelling.
The poison's gonna kill me in a few minutes. I've gotta find Sean fast. Sean's done for if I've got the address wrong. I hope it's not too late. Sean! Where's Sean?
Sean!
I've been looking for a long time. Looking for a father that would be able to do what mine could not do. Sacrifice himself in order to save his son. Oh, I searched.
You are a sick bitch.
And then I remembered you.
No way. Oh, because I jumped in the way of the car.
All those murders, just to find a father capable of saving his son.
Just to find a father? Do you have any idea how it feels to be a worthless nothing in your father's eyes? Believe me, I've suffered just as much as my victims.
I finished your damn trials. Now give me back my son!
He's there. All you have to do is open that grate.
So he's taking out his frustration of not getting daddy love on other people? Yeah, lock him. Yo, kill this nigga. Don't even lock him up. Kill him. He about to kill me. Kill him. He's about to kill me, bro. Ethan, I see you. I see your arms, Ethan. I see your arms. I don't know how you're still alive. I gotta find shit.
I'll get you out of there, Sean.
Like, what do you want me to use? You saw his arms, y'all? Go, go, go. Oh my gosh. Nah, keep trying. There we go. Your mother not gonna believe what I'm gonna tell her. Your mother not gonna believe me at all. Sean, I don't know how you're still alive, buddy. I took years to get to you. Like, we played multiple games on stream. I got stuck opening the door. I had sex. Oh, he's dead. I'm killing him. Yo, I'm killing him. I'm not sparing his life. I'm not sparing his life. If they give me the chance, I'm killing him. Yeah, right in the dick, bitch. You wanna kill kids? I'm gonna kick you in your dick so you can't have any kids. Fuck.
Take your positions. Suspect is likely to be armed and dangerous.
Oh, brother.
Shoot to kill. I repeat, shoot to kill. Ash, are the snipers in position?
Yes, Lieutenant. They're ready on your command.
No, are they gonna kill?
He won't get away this time.
Bro.
We'll gun him down as soon as he shows his face.
Bro.
Hey, you there! What are you doing?
Lieutenant, my name is Madison Page. I'm a journalist. I have proof that Ethan Mars is innocent. He's not the origami
Ash,
killer.
what is a journalist doing here? I thought I told everybody to keep their mouths shut. Now get her out of here. I don't want her getting in the way.
Okay, Lieutenant. All right, come on.
You're about to make a terrible mistake, Lieutenant. Ethan Mars is innocent. I can prove it.
Like, she not urgent enough for me, y'all. She not urgent enough. Like, she sound too calm still. I know the voice acting sucks in this game, but she sound too calm. But you gotta believe me. You gotta believe me. Come on, bro. This game, I can't wait till this game is over. I can't wait till I'm done playing the game. Like, these controls is getting me so mad. No way you just died. No way, I didn't just die. I didn't just die. No. No way. No way. So, just like that, he's dead? Hello?
Don't have me, son, please. Breathe. Gotta breathe. Don't leave me. Sean,
Sean! Wait, he really died? Why is everyone dying? I went through all of this shit for nothing. Oh, okay. I was about to say, bro. Oh my gosh. Nah, he's good. He's good.
Oh,
Oh my god.
oh,
Oh my god.
I thought you were gone.
Dad, I knew you'd come and save me.
Aww. Aww. I killed the Cash. No, I only killed the nigga with the glasses.
Listen,
He the only one that died. Everyone else lived.
whatever happened to me in my life, I want you to know that whatever happens, I love you more than anything.
Wait, oh, I'm about to die.
I'm not dead. I took the poison an hour ago, and I'm not dead.
Ash, get her out of my face.
No, they're about to kill me.
For Christ's sake.
They're about to kill me.
Innocent.
The cops about to kill me. Get the fuck off me, bitch. Get the fuck off me. Can you drive in the straight line? What are you doing?
What do we do, Lieutenant? Attention all personnel. Hold your fire. I repeat, hold your fire.
Wait, Madison's about to die.
What's going on?
Somebody about to die.
They're out there.
Yo.
The building's surrounded. They'll
I
shoot
can't-
you if you go outside.
I'll go out alone. I'll talk to them. I'll explain.
You'll be dead before you can open your mouth. Look, we'll all go out together with our hands in the air, and they can't possibly shoot us. I have the evidence that proves your innocence, Ethan.
Listen, I'm sorry I didn't trust you. I was only thinking about Sean, and I thought...
That's okay. The only thing that matters is that you saved your son.
Yeah, y'all gonna kill me with a son in my hand? Y'all gonna kill me with a kid in my hand? Y'all gonna kill me right now? Really? In front of my child? I'm carrying a child. Y'all gonna kill me? Really? Really? Y'all gonna kill me with a child in my arms? Go ahead. Go ahead and shoot me if you want.
There was general relief this morning
Wait,
when the police
what happened to the
found Sean Mars alive 4 days
Scott?
after his disappearance. Mars had been imprisoned in a well by the man known as the Organic Killer. The successful resolution of this case was made possible only by the bravery of Ethan Mars, who the police believed at one point to be the killer. It is no doubt due to his great courage and tenacity that he succeeded in foiling the plans of the Organic Killer. The police commissioner presented him an official apology today. Our main headline today: it is reported that the police have identified the man thought to be the Origami Killer. Scott Shelby, 48, is a former police lieutenant who claimed to be a private eye hired by the families of the killer's victims. Despite a citywide manhunt, Shelby has not yet been apprehended. Police are now mounting a nationwide operation in an effort to arrest him. Unfortunately, the investigation has cost the life of Norman Jayden, the FBI profiler working on the case. Jayden was killed while trying to arrest the Origami Killer in circumstances that remain unclear. A full police investigation is pending.
Let's just say a friend of a friend let me jump in line. If we like it, it's ours.
Well, we got Ethan back at least. Yeah. Yeah, we got Ethan back.
Hey,
wow.
I think I found my room.
I got a new wife. I got a new girlfriend.
What do you think?
It's
Yes,
perfect,
sir.
Ethan. We'll be able to forget what happened. We'll lead a normal life. And one day, it'll all just seem like a bad dream. We've earned the right to be happy now, Ethan. All three of us.
He got a stepmom and shit. He got a new stepmom. Oh, I said Ethan? Oh, I mean Sean.
He's being buried in 2 days in some godforsaken hole in the back end of beyond near Washington. I have to attend as a matter of protocol.
I'll pass. Jane and I didn't see eye to eye on much.
No problem. I understand.
Hey, sir, I still have his glasses. What should I do with them?
Well, we won't be needing them again.
Don't throw them away. Them shit's just useful.
Whatever you want with them.
Okay. Damn, my nigga really died though. Nah, that's not my fault because the controls suck on this game. Y'all watch me struggle through this whole game with the controls, bro. That's not my fault. No, bro, that wasn't my fault, bro. What are we doing? Gabby, you trying? Gabby, you know they banned the word niggas, right? That's why your shit not going through. Are we setting up a part 2? Yeah, bro, it is the game's fault. For sure, 100%. What the fuck? What? Is the game still going? Ah, damn. He dead ass got away. Oh my god. No, he about to get a happy ending? Fuck.
None of the families of the victims ever hired you, did they, Scott?
What?
I called every last one of them. All you did was collect the evidence you'd left behind. Wipe out your past and feed on the misery of the parents whose children you'd killed. I swore on my son's grave that I would kill the man who murdered him.
Ooh.
I'm gonna keep my word.
Ooh. Let's go! Let's go! W game! What y'all niggas talking about? W game! That's what I'm talking about, nigga! That's what I'm talking about! W game, nigga! Come on, bro. This game is amazing. We got Sean back. I got a new girl. We got a new crib. The nigga is dead. Come on. Like, okay, rest in peace. Rest in peace to the detective. Rest in peace to Norman. Rest in peace, my boy. But, come on, y'all. His death was not in vain, bro. Bro, hey, his death was not in vain. he died for the great. He died, and his death led to this shit. He didn't get caught, but he's dead now, nigga. Like, don't give that nigga jail. Send him to the afterlife. What? Oh my god, W Madison, nah, W Madison, bro. Madison is really a W. Oh my gosh. Right, he kissed her. He was in her face, knowing that he killed her son. Like, yo, this game, man. Hey, I will say I hated the controls. I hated the controls. I don't ever want to play a game like that. And the controls are like that. I don't want to ever do that. But the story... Oh my gosh. Alright, can we skip this? I don't want to sit through this whole thing. Oh my gosh. No, it was not me, bro. Y'all seen me. This is game, man. I'm just like I'm too nice, and this game was fucking me up. Come on, y'all know I'm a W gamer now. How many games is that? That's 7 games down now. That's 8 games down, nigga. I'm 8 games into this shit. Come on, that's 8 games. I'm on my gamer shit, nigga. Come on. Nigga, we about to be a 2025 best variety game. Oh my gosh. Alright, I do this for every game I play. Final thoughts. For every game I play, I give my final thoughts. Heavy Rain. Game was fire. Story was fire. Listen, bro. Y'all niggas saying I was the one that was messing up the controls. No. The controls, first of all, sometimes it was just too quick. The quick time events was just too quick. And okay, sometimes I wasn't prepared. But them shits where you had to turn the controller like this and do this, that shit ass. That shit sucked. Game was fire. Story was fire. I fuck with it. Hey, I ain't gonna lie, this shit was tough. This shit was tough. Oh my gosh. Alright, on to the next game. Oh, I don't rate it anymore. I guess I don't really want to. I'm gonna just give my thoughts. I'm not gonna rate the game. I mean, I guess I'll rate it. I'd say it's like 8 out of 10. It's 8 out of 10.